Hello friends, welcome to our channel Elevate Buying. It's presented by the new Dreame D9 Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Max in the name of Dreame D9 Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner is for its immensely powerful suction. The suction power is not only its key feature, the robot vacuum cleaner comes with an intelligent LiDAR or laser navigation system, a large dust tank, and a tangle-free vacuuming design. It offers a maximum and thorough cleaning and vacuuming experience. It's the 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner that also provides you with mopping mode. The D9 Max equips a large 270 ml water tank, which is enough to mop your floor extensively. It is perfect for cleaning pet hair due to its amazing tangle-free vacuuming design. Its 4,000 POV strong suction power can perfectly clean your carpet, and even suck up particles on the carpet with ease.